Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to another phone. It's very quick and easy, but first don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated if we post a new video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to do this on my iPhone device, but it's the same process on Android as well. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account on Spotify. Click your profile on the top left corner and then go to settings and privacy. You will need to swipe down until you find connect to a device option. If you already chose a music, please click on that just like this one. Then click on the speaker option, which is located at the bottom left corner. You can click on the Start a Remote Group session and click Invite Friends. After doing that, you will copy the link to the session and send it to the other phone. You'll want to open the link on that phone, and that's it. You're already connected to Spotify. I hope I helped you to connect Spotify to another phone, and if you want more tutorial videos, we have that on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!